Imagine stepping into a serene retreat nestled in the heart of Campos do Jordao, where mountain views and modern comfort blend seamlessly. Welcome to Casa de Arquiteto com Vista, Jardim y Lareira, a stunning architectural gem designed to make your stay unforgettable. Before we dive into the details, don't forget to scan the QR code on your screen or check the description below for more information and booking options. This beautifully designed holiday home is more than just a place to stay, it's an experience. Set against a backdrop of lush greenery and rolling hills, the property offers 4 spacious bedrooms, each thoughtfully designed to provide warmth and relaxation. The open-plan living area features a cozy fireplace, perfect for chilly evenings, while large windows frame breathtaking mountain views. The fully equipped kitchen, complete with an oven and microwave, invites you to prepare home-cooked meals, and the shared lounge and garden offer tranquil spaces to unwind. Free Wi-Fi and private parking add convenience to your stay, and the location couldn't be more ideal, just 2.6 kilometers from Campos do Jordao Bus Station and a short drive from local attractions like Horto Florestal Park and Capivari Park. Whether you're here to explore or simply escape, this non-smoking haven ensures a peaceful retreat. Ready to experience this architectural masterpiece for yourself? Scan the QR code on your screen or check the description below for more details and to book your stay. Your perfect getaway in Campos do Jordao awaits.